What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carl's here with Serranos Mobile Detail here in Dallas, Texas. I hope you guys are having a great day. So today's video, guys, is really going to be about one rookie mistake I did today, which really wasn't big, but you know, to some people it could be big, right? Especially when it comes to the money side, right? So stick around, and we're definitely going to be talking about my minor mistake that happened on this Cadillac that I'm working on. Oh, we going down the back roads, we going down the back roads. All right, so I've successfully, I'm cleaning the vehicle already, but for those who are maybe just starting out, when you're working on this type of material like Cadillacs, I've seen other vehicles have it. It's this very thin material that you guys see right here, and hopefully the camera can catch it. How do I clean this? All right, the way I do it, guys, is strictly these areas aren't really dirty. If they are, you know, you can spray a little bit of like your cleaner to kind of loosen it up. And what I tend to do, guys, is I will steam it. And this is the Causeway. The steamer I'm using is the Causeway steamer. And then what I'll do, guys, is I'll give it just a quick agitation. And then the trick to it is I use my Vortex. I'll use my Vortex air tool, guys. And whenever you're cleaning this, you really want to have your PSI maybe 60 PSI. You don't want forced air, because what will tend to happen is, one, it deteriorates the material. Two, if the car is already old and you hit this with air, the adhesive will literally come off and you're gonna have literally spots. So literally for this area, I always just lower the PSI, and then I will literally just blow it all out nicely. Just like that. And I'll just give it a nice quick wipe on both sides. And that's it, guys. Nice and clean. Gets it right back to its pretty much original shape without adding too much force to that material. Because once that material starts loosening and you hit this with air, that thing you'll have patches of white or whatever, the black. But anyways, just a quick tip. If you ever run into these right here, this material that's real thin, try not to use too much air, or bring your air, PSI down. So the wheels, always do your rinse just to cool the wheel down and your tires down as well. I'm using Auto Beauty Products Wheel Acid Cleaner for these wheels. And then I'm using the Fab, the Juice. This is a non-acid wheel and tire cleaner as well. And I have really enjoyed it, guys. To be honest, I did 8 tires with that 16-ounce bottle. So for me, that was a win. I literally just ordered more. I ordered the gallon. So now I'm going to be able to dilute it and still have enough cleaning power. And then obviously you see me, guys. You see me scrubbing the wheels with a soft brush on these wheels. That way we make sure we don't scratch anything. Very soon, I'm finally going to be able to do my review that I've been wanting to do on this soap I am using. And so far, I'm really liking it. It's an amazing product that you can use on multiple vehicles, fleet vehicles. So expect a review on this soap very soon. Alrighty, guys. So to kind of end this video, I underquoted. You know, I got here and unfortunately, in my head, I was thinking it was the smaller Cadillac version, not this Jumbotron, this big old Escalade. And the cost on this today was $350 for this one, which is my cost for just the regular SUVs, right? And unfortunately, in my head, I thought it was this one. I never imagined this size right here. So one here, my cost would have been $450, probably about $500. It had some very mild that it had a milk stain, and under it kind of created a little bit of like mold. When I see milk, I tend to always kind of lift the carpet up, and that gives me a better idea. And it had just a little bit, so I would have charged $500 for this one because of the condition. 1, 2, it was the big one, and 3, obviously it had light mold. But unfortunately, I hate upcharging, right? I hate because I always do my homework as to asking questions, what kind of car, send me pictures, I do all of that. This one, I don't know what happened, it just like blew past me. So this one should have been at least a $500 package, but today it's $350. So hey, savings for the customer. But I'm blessed either way. I'm not even mad about it, because I get blessed in many other ways. Health wise, I'm alive, I'm good with that. So for me, that's more of the blessing side. So and I previously serviced them, so too, I greatly appreciate the repeat business. So sometimes in this business you win some, you lose some, but always take every loss with gratitude and appreciation, right? And we're out here working, and I'd rather be being my own self in this vehicle than working at a place making probably $10 an hour for the day, right? But anyways, that was my very minor mistake, my rookie mistake. And in my business, or if your business, I don't know how you guys do it. Do you guys upcharge the customer when you end up making that minor mistake? Let me know in the comments. What do you do? As for me, I keep my price. I don't raise it. I own up to my mistake, and I'll take care of it. So hopefully you guys have a blessed day. Be safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.